Next type of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. So what is interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Here we have 5 interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, and what. These words are used to ask questions, so they are interrogative pronouns. Here we have who is used to ask about a person. Here we have an example: who is your best friend? Best friend is a person and we are asking about him. So we used who. Who is your best friend? Next we have whom, used to ask about the person receiving an action. Look at the example. Whom did you call? Here, call is an action word and we are using whom to ask about the person who is receiving the action. So, whom did you call? Next we have whose. Whose is used to ask about ownership. For example, whose pen is this? Here we are asking about the ownership of pen. So we used whose. Which, used when we are asking about a choice. Example, which dress you like? Here we have choice in dresses, so we are using which. Which dress do you like? Next we have what, used to ask about a thing or just information. For example, what is your name? So, we use word to ask about a thing or information. Here is easy trick to remember. Who is used when we are asking about a person. Whom is used when we are asking about a person receiving an action. Whose tells about the ownership of object. Which is used about choices. And what is used when we are asking about something or about some information. So these are the 5 interrogative pronouns. Here we have some fill in the blanks. Now it's your turn. You will write the answer of these fill in the blanks in the comment section. First blank is dash is your best friend. Here we are asking about a person. Next we have dash book is this. Dash did you invite to the party? Next we have dash color do you prefer? Red or blue? Next we have dash is your favorite subject. Now you will write the answer in the comment section. Hope so you will learn it properly. If you have any question, tell me in the comment section.